Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a presentation in Keynote on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on Browse at the bottom left. Here, tap on Create Presentation. Now, select on Choose Theme. Now, you will see a list of themes. These are pre-designed style of your slide. Scroll through and tap the one you like. This will create a new presentation with your selected theme. Now, let's add all slides. Tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen to add a new slide. You can choose different slide layout depending on whether you want a title, text, image or chart. To add text, just tap the text box on the slide and start typing. You can also format your text by tapping the print brush icon to change the font size or color. To add image, tap the plus sign at the top of your phone and choose photos or videos. You can select image from your photos app or take a new one with the camera. You can also move, resize or rotate objects on your slide by tapping and dragging them. Once your slides are ready, tap the play button at the top to see your slide in action. Swipe left to go through your slides. And that's it. You have just made your first presentation in Keynote on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.